If you ever tried making a photo collage on an iPhone or iPad, you must be knowing that iOS doesn't provide a direct way to make a photo collage on iPhone or iPad. So how do you make a photo collage on iPhone or iPad? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can make a photo collage on iPhone or iPad. In order to make a photo collage on an iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is you have to just use the Shortcuts app provided by Apple. You can find the Shortcuts app inside the Utilities folder on your iPhone. But in case you can't find that, then chances are you might have deleted that. So what you have to do is you have to go to App Store and search for Shortcuts, and there you have to download and install the Shortcuts app, the one that is by Apple. And once you have downloaded and installed the Shortcuts app, next you have to tap on Open, and this will open Shortcuts like this. In case your Shortcuts app opens differently, then chances are you might be from the home screen. For that, just go back and you can see the library here. And you will also notice there are three tabs here: Library, Automation, and Gallery. And no matter how Shortcuts app opens on your iPhone or iPad, you have to just ensure that you are on the Library tab, and there you will see all shortcuts. So tap on all shortcuts, and now we will create a new shortcut for making a collage on iPhone. For that, we will tap on this plus icon to add a new shortcut, and next we will search photos here in the search actions field. Tap on this and simply search for photos. And once you search for that, here multiple options appear. We have to select the option that says select photos. So this will select photos. Next, tap on this arrow icon and enable the toggle next to select multiple, so that it will select multiple photos. And after that, we have to search for the action again in the search actions field, and this time we will search for images, and combine images will appear here, which we have to select. So select it, and here you can see this will combine photos horizontally, but if you tap on it, you can select in a grid, and that is the preferred option for making a photo collage on iPhone or iPad. So make sure that you have selected in a grid option, and after that, in case you want to add spacing between the images, you can also tap on this arrow button and add some spacing here. But I personally prefer no spacing between the images, so I'll keep it 0, but in case you want, you may add spacing as well. And after that, search for the action again, and this time we will search for photos, and after that we will scroll and select the option that is save to photos, and this will save the combined images to recents inside the photos. So we have created the shortcut now, but before we save this, we have to tap on this arrow icon and select the option for rename, so that we will rename it to something that is easily memorable or recognizable. We will rename it as Photo Collage Maker, and once that is renamed, we will tap on this done check mark, so that this will be saved. And once you have renamed the created shortcut, next tap on this backward arrow, and the created shortcut will be saved in the all shortcuts folder. And next, you may also long press on the created shortcut again, and this time select the option for details, and after that you can enable the toggle next to show in share sheet, so that it should show up in the share sheet menu on your iPhone. I'll toggle it on, and you can also add to home screen and select any of these and tap on add, so that it will be added as a shortcut to home screen. You can see the created Photo Collage Maker shortcut, and after that simply tap on done checkmark, and we are ready to proceed to make photo collage on iPhone or iPad. Now you can create a photo collage from here, tapping on this shortcut in the all shortcuts as well, or you can also tap on this shortcut here in the home screen, and that will show up the photo selection window where you can select multiple photos which you want to put in a collage. Here I'll select these images so that it will be added in a grid, and I'll tap on done checkmark, and the shortcut will run as you can see here. And once the shortcut runs, this will create the photo collage and save it inside the camera roll of your iPhone. Here, if I go to photos and show you, you will notice it has created the new photo collage image here. So this way you may make a photo collage on an iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to put two images side by side on iPhone or iPad, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.